I'm Dr. Shyuan. I'm an M&D researcher here at the University of Queensland. Yep. So how did I get into M&D research? When I finished my PhD, because I did my PhD mainly based in the lab here at UQ.
Oh yes.
And when I finished, I thought, I wanted to do something a bit, more based in the hospital. I wanted to start meeting people who are living with diseases, just to understand a bit more about how science could help in the real world. So then once you start and you become embedded in the community, there's no stopping. You just become hooked. Yeah, we look at the research from a lot of angles actually. So we've got the lab here at UQ, where we do a lot of the lab-based models, but then we also work with patients at the clinic at the Royal Brisbane Hospital. Just it's really important to work with people living with this disease so that we know how it impacts them. It helps us refine our research questions. The funding from NTI this year, this grant, it's fantastic because what it's done is it's brought some new people into the field of M&D research.
Oh, excellent.
So there's some new researchers coming in who are really excited. I think I've actually managed to turn one of them because he wants to submit a lot more grants in M&D research.
Yeah.
And that's fantastic. It helps a lot of the students in their PhD so that they can continue with their studies.
Yep.
But all of the PhD students are super excited about this project that the NTI is funding, that they all want to drop their own projects and come and work on this, which is really nice to see because the students, every time a project is funded by people like NTI, they just get this new boost of enthusiasm.
Oh, that's fantastic. And NTI, they really love being involved in it and being able to help due to the passing of our previous CEO with MND. So, and that's how basically we got involved. Yeah, that's really good, Shu.